The star. So we're going to break the star into half a move, and then level 2 we'll introduce the legs. So just for the level 1, you're going to keep your toes together and your heels apart. Normally your legs would be wide and you'd be in the shape of the star, but it's just to help keep the bum switched off. Your arms are lengthened up like a star out to the side, and again you have a cushion under your head. So for the ladies with the bigger boobs, a bigger cushion will serve you better. Now there's different ways you can do the arms for the star. So it really depends on your shoulder flexibility and what you want to achieve from this move. So Paul's going to do 1 or maybe 2 with the head up, and then he's going to do 2 with the head down. So Paul, if you start drawing in your belly button, and then you're going to lift the head, and then you're going to reach away with one arm, and then you come back down, and then you're going to reach away with the other one. Keeping the bums relaxed. So again, this movement is coming from that part of the spine, not the bum cheeks. So that is with your head up. So if you find that just being in that position feels quite tough on the shoulders, you can lift the head, and when you reach away, that just allows your shoulders to be in a bit of an easier position. Now Paul's going to show you the other variation where you can actually keep your head down, which is a lot better if you want to improve your shoulder mobility. So from here, you keep your head down and you reach away. So basically when you're lying down, it just puts you in this position there as you lift the arms. So it works all of this area. So again, bums relaxed, legs are relaxed, toes apart, toes together, heels apart. So we'll just do one more, Paul. For us, we feel that this is the better version, but you have to go with what your shoulders are like and stuff. I mean, I find it quite difficult to do it with the head down because I haven't got the most flexible shoulders. So think of reaching, you want to stretch with those arms and relax. So that is the star. Again, it's good to work for this part of the spine over there and stretching as well. So thanks for watching.